Hello, Andy. All right, here is your 636 SA on my 48 flathead. Testing and adjustment required a change out on the bowl. There was a problem. Either a deep blockage that could not come out or a crack. So we replaced the bowl. Now, as you can see, it's all nice and dry inside there. It's working well. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, it's coming up. Let's look at some numbers. All right, right now she's idling at about 640. I think I'm going to go ahead and turn that up just a little bit. Okay, there we go. 650 or so. Fuel pressure is about 3. Vacuum, look at there, 23 and change, almost 23 and a half. Excellent. And there's my dwell at about 42. Alrighty, let's pull it through a couple times. Oh, well. Take a look down inside again. Oh, yeah. He's real good. Yeah. Excellent. All right, my friend. I think you're going to like it.